At the top, you will see the menu bar with File, View, Extras, and other sections, where software settings can be changed, such as the language. On the far left is the Task and Management bar, which can be used to navigate within the Report and Route Manager software, RIO for short. Next to this is the option to cycle through the measurement databases. Below you will find the powerful filter options that allow filtering of plant data by time or date, machine, measurement type, or alarm state of measurement points. This filter refers to the plant hierarchy below, as well as to the View tabs. Configuration. This configures measurement points such as FFTs, sensor settings, bearing database assignment, annotations, and others. Journal. This keeps track of comments, acknowledged alarms, individual messages, and more. Analysis. This is the most important view, where measurement data analysis and diagnoses are carried out using cursors, axes settings, alarm displays, and other methods. Reports. This allows creation of basic reports, which means printouts of diagnosed data in PDF format. The reports start at machine level, but with multi-select, an enormous amount of content can be presented and reported on. Media allows an image or drawing to be assigned in versatile file formats to each level in your plant hierarchy. For example, to display measurement point positions on a specific machine. Now let's look at the Tasks and Management bar on the far left. It starts with the plant hierarchy, which includes the complete plant and machine, which first needs to be mapped into an empty database. Here the example database, RIO Demo, is selected. Now open machine levels, for example, a ventilator or generator. Once the generator measurement points have been opened, there is a choice to switch between either the Configuration View tab or the Analysis tab. Under the Routes selection, routes can be created for inspection from within your facility. The next items are Sensor Management and Comments, where you can create your own comments. Highlighted and separated by two horizontal lines are the connections to the VIBROSTORE 100. The larger symbol indicates the Series 80 product line. Please note that some functions of RIO are only usable for Series 80. For more information, please refer to the VIBROSTORE 100 user manual. The VIBROSTORE 100 icon should be used when downloading routes and uploading data from the instrument to RIO. The next icon is used to manage measurement databases and where VIBROSTORE 100 instruments are being used. Management of user accounts gives the possibility to assign different roles and attributes, for example, only viewing rights. The icon below allows management of machine templates to work more efficiently with certain machine types. Any machine template under Machine Template Database can be added to the plant hierarchy by right-clicking on it. This saves a lot of time in repeatedly creating multiple machines of the same type. Finally, the Bearing Database Management, which is an essential part in diagnosing REB rolling bearing failure modes. This covers all major bearing manufacturers.